Hello everyone, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, I want to clear a small doubt on the Poco F3 GT device. Yes, regarding the loudspeaker. So I am getting plenty of comments and a lot of requests. Yes, so as you can see, friends, this is the exact message which I got from few of the subscribers. They did mention that upper speaker is giving very less sound when compared with the lower speaker. As you can see, please tell if this is an issue, then I'll replace my unit. So this is a comment which I am getting not only from one subscriber, from plenty of users. I'm getting this kind of same comment. So right now I decided to do this kind of video, and before sleeping, that is the reason. So right now I'll try to explain you, friends, what is happening. So that's not an issue, that's not a problem. It's actually designed in that way itself. Yes, the bottom speaker will be having more volume than the top speaker. I'll try to explain you clearly by using the sound meter. You'll be able to understand. So no need to worry, don't worry at all. This is not the issue, this is not the problem at all. So there's actually the top speaker having really less volume in the Poco F3 GT device. That's the one thing. To test out this theory, let's try to play one of the audio. So right now I'll try to play the audio speaker. As you can see, right now I'll try to play with the full volume. So let's measure the volume coming from the bottom and let's measure the volume coming from the top side. You will be able to understand clearly how much difference it is actually. Let me start playing the audio right now. As you can see, friends, the bottom speaker went up to 107 decibels as well, 107, 106 as well sometimes. You did notice there's kind of high decibels in the bottom speaker. Now, let's check the top speaker. So top speaker, there's one problem. The top speaker is that the sound doesn't come from these small holes. No, the sound comes from the earpiece. Yes, so you need to understand that kind of sound system in the Poco F3 GT. So right now, let me try to start playing the audio and I'll try to explain you clearly. So I got to understand when I try to close this two holes which is present on the, as you can see, on the outside. I did try to close this one. Even after closing this one, the sound was coming. So then I thought the sound is coming in, even from the earpiece as well. That's when I did realize. So now let me try to start playing the audio. As you can see, friends, clearly there is a difference in the number. So when compared with the bottom one to the top one, yes, there is a difference. So no need to worry at all. No need to replace at all. Even if you apply for the replacement, the new unit also will be having same kind of volume only, because by default the sound volume of the top speaker is not equal to the bottom speaker in the Poco F3 GT device. That's the one thing you should understand that. So no problem. There's no issue with the phone at all, friends. So don't worry at all. And in case if you have any other doubts on the Poco F3 GT, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to make a video as soon as possible. So in case if this kind of emergency comes, definitely I'll try to prioritize and I'll try to upload, and before sleeping I'll definitely do that. So right now time is about close to 12:20. I thought of making this kind of video, just solving this kind of doubts, because a lot of users are really worried about this kind of issue. They are actually thinking of replacing, because replace date is also very less nowadays in the Flipkart. So that's the one thing. So thank you for watching this video, friends. It's the final thing, so don't worry, there is no problem with the phone. The top speaker is having less volume than the bottom speaker. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to check the playlist. In case if you have any other doubts, try to follow the playlist. I did upload plenty of videos already on the Poco F3 GT, close to 160 videos. Try to check the playlist before actually asking for any kind of doubts. You may find the videos which you are looking for in the playlist. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.